Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Xbox Series S and signing into the account that controls power settings. Once done, press the guide button and navigate to Settings, then General, and open Power Mode and Startup. This is where sleep behavior is controlled. Make sure your controller is awake so you can change options. You do this now because adjusting here changes system-wide sleep rules rather than app-specific timers, which prevents the console from entering sleep unexpectedly. Now you change the actual sleep preferences. Choose a power mode, Instant On for quick resume or energy saving to conserve power. Pick Instant On only if you want the fastest wake. Then locate the Turn Off After menu and select the option that prevents automatic shut-off. Choose Don't Turn Off or the longest available interval so the console stays active. Make sure to apply or save changes. This stops the timer that forces sleep and aligns behavior with how you use the Xbox. Finish by restarting your Xbox so the new power settings fully apply, then leave it idle for 10 to 15 minutes to confirm it no longer goes to sleep. If the console still sleeps, make sure controllers aren't set to turn off the console. Check HDMI CEC settings on your TV and close background apps that may trigger power changes. If problems persist, update the system firmware and perform a full power cycle. Hold the power button 10 seconds, then retest. This often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.